Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Height. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series which is called how to earn money from video editing. So this is the last and seventh and last part of this series, and in this video I will teach you about how you can earn money by providing the services of reels editing, reels, or you can say shorts editing. So as you can see, uh, reels are now very trending nowadays. So I'm going to Fiverr to check that if there is a demand of this skill or not. So you can also grow your own Instagram, Facebook theme pages by posting and creating and posting the reels on a specific niche. So I am on Fiverr and let's see that if there is a demand of this skill or not. So here I search for reels editing. Let's see what we got. So there are 8,700 plus services available, means there is a demand of this skill. Or and let's analyze 2 or 3 gigs. So let's analyze. Firstly, I will edit TikTok reels and short with captions like Alex or Mozi. Basic one, make one TikTok YouTube reel up to 60 seconds in length, $15. In standard, he charges $75 and make 5 TikTok YouTube reels up to 60 seconds. 10 TikTok, he charges $140 and 10 TikToks reels up to 6 seconds in length. So he is Umar Kadir 24, orders 5-star reviews and 1 order in queue, and hopefully he completed almost 100 orders. You can also check out his gig, and let's check his words and make your gig according to it, but do not copy him. After that, the second is Muz. He is Fiverr choice, 137, 4.9 reviews, 1 order in queue, and he charged basic $10 for one reel, $20 for one reel, and $45 for 5 IG reels. And you can also check out his portfolio and check out his gig and other things. So last is Ali Shafiq, and he got 609, 4.9 reviews, means he completed 1500 orders almost, and he charged $20 for basic one reel. He charged $40 for two 60-second reels, and he charged $170 for 10 videos or 10 reels. So that's it. This is the last. So that's it for today. I hope you like the series. If you like the series, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video with the next course, which is probably of Python programming course. So meet you then. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.